Good morning, sir.
Morning,
Good
sir.
morning.
Good
Morning.
morning, sir.
Good
Yeah,
morning,
how are
sir.
you? Good morning. How are you? All are fine?
Yes, sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. So, how did you write your exam the previous semester? Kotandra, whether it is supported to the students or how you feel?
Yes, sir, it was fine.
Yeah, it was fine. Actually, during the paper correction, I have noticed. So, Kotandra was fine. Okay. Even though it is working purely based on AI, even we have found that many students answer almost the same. So I think Code Tundra they supported a lot to the students. Okay. So the computer communication, shall we start the class? 44 members they join. This class we will see about the introduction of the courses. Then how we are going to proceed the assessment. Then we will start the first topic if the time permits. So similarly, the humble request, I request all to join the class in time. If you are if you are feeling facing any difficulties, you can approach me. Suppose if you are facing any the net problem in your hometown in your places, so kindly approach me. Kindly send me the mail. So if it is the valid reasons, I may consider because I am always with an friendly approach. So whatever things you feel any difficulties or any problem, you can approach me. So I think you may receive the feedback from your senior. Similarly, I think many students already did the DS conduct. So no issues. So whatever things, any difficulties, anything, only thing you should approach well in advance. That is only thing. If you are facing any difficulties, any problem. Similarly, my suggestion, my advice, you should not cheat the faculty members. If whatever things the truth, even if you are approaching with the true reasons, with the polite reasons, with the polite way, I think you will get on. You will get on. Because next to parents, the Mada Pida, Guru Devam, next to parents, teacher is here to support you, mold you, guide you, and mold you. We are not here to punish any students. That is the reality of that is the real character of the teacher. The teacher, always we should not punish any student, but we will mold you for your future. So today I think we will see the different the topics in the syllabus. So what are the books you have to refer for that? Then we will move to the next topic. Is it visible? The PPT is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So any difficulties, anything, you can mail me through this mail ID. Can you note down this mail ID? So any difficulties related to your the courses, your the programs, you can mail to me. Related to any the department issues as HOD, always you should approach me through HOD mail ID, hod.ce at va.ac.in. Anything other than that, anything other than the department activities, academic, that is administrative activities, any help you require in the future, you can always approach me through this mail ID. So course code, course title. If you see here, the lecture, it is an the 3 hour. The practicals 2 hours. So totally it is in 4 credits. So the prerequisite for this course, it is an the EC400, that is a digital communication systems. I think all have completed this course. Here in a digital communication system, you studied the few the fundamental things like the codings. Similarly, you studied about the CSMA, CD, many things, error control, error reduction codings. All these things will be the prerequisite for the computer communication. the core subjective. So before that, you may have doubts. So as a electronics and communication engineer, why I should study about the computer communications? Because the computer communications, if you see here, it is more or less it is related to the computer science branch. So this type of the doubt may arise for many students. If you see that olden days that mobile we are used only for just sending the SMS, then the making the voice call. But nowadays, if you see that the smartphone, using the smartphone, you can be able to do many activities. Even you can be able to transmit the normal, the voice, the message, or multimedia, like a video. Even you can do many activities, many the processing using the mobile. Similarly, if you see that the olden days, if you take that any the transmitter, the receiver, it won't has any the intelligent device. Nowadays, all these will be processed in a cloud-based server. Cloud-based server. So mostly all that the normal, the conventional communication, the platform now the replaced with an intelligent computing device. That is the reason the computer communications it plays a vital role for communication. You're going for the future any the place activities. So always that the computer communications will just support you if you are going for any networking related companies. So due to that that number of the credit that is reasons we have put this into the elective. But now that AICT UGC they recommended this computer communication or computer network that should be the program course for the ECE student. Maybe during the next revisions, this subject it may instead of elective it may be offered as a program. So always this computer communications plays the vital role. It is the normal. If you take any the normal the communication the device now it is the computing device. So the main the objective of this computer communication course, if if you are doing this course, you can be able to familiarize with the basic technologies concept of this OSI TCP/IP reference model. Because in a computer, it is having many the many the part of work. Because first you have to establish the connection. Next, after establishing connections, we have to we have to because if you take that in the physical communications, it will transmit in terms of the bits. Then we have to combine as the frame. Then you have to combine as the packet, then whole message. So in the transmitting as well as the receiving side. If we take the normal digital communications or any analog communication, the transmitter side, first you have to get the source, that is a message. Then you have to go for modulation. Then you will if it is digital, then you will go for encoding also. Then you will go for amplification. Then you will transmit. Then the receiver side, it will does the inverse operation. Like in a computer communication, also in a transmitter as well as the receiver, it is having the many the systematic the operations. So it contains the various layers. So each layer will have a different function. So if you are studying this subject, you can be able to familiarize the basic the concept of the different the model and the function of various layers. Similarly, if you are the next objective to make the students to understand the ARQ protocols, that is automatic the repeat request. That this is used for the that error control. Error control we will see it in detail. Then the performance is used later with the LANs and WANs. That is the local network and that is the wireless LAN. So then if then the third objective, you introduce the students to analyze the IP address. Because if you see that any the computer or laptop, we used to use that the IP address. How the IP address is assigning? What are the different types of IP addressing? Whether it is IP addressing, it is an physical address or it is not.
Hello.
So all those things, the details we will see in the detail. you are studying this subject, the main objective, so these are all the three objectives. To familiarize about the concept of the basic, the models and the layer. To make the
Hello, sir.
students understand. Yes.
So the slides are
Sir,
not changing.
slides are
Yes.
changing. The slides are not moving, not changing.
Oh, okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay. So the main the objective of this the course, the first objective to familiarize the basic technology concept of OSI TCP reference model. I think this we discussed. The second objective to make the students understand the different ARQ protocols. This will use to it is used for the error control and the flow control. Then the performance issues associated with the functioning of LANs and LANs. Then to introduce the students to analyze the IP address, because even if you see that any computer used to give that IP address. So whether IP addressing it is the physical address or it is changeable for the systems. If you are connecting to some other network, whether IP address is fixed or changed. So all these things, the different types of IP addressing we will see in this course. Then the module, the first module, it is on basics. It is on the layer network architecture. Here we will say about the different the data networks, different switching techniques, the different categories of the network. Then that ISO OSI the model, reference model, TCP/IP model. The course outcome. So if you are completing the module, then you can be able to list and explain the functions of the OSI TCP/IP reference model and difference between the various switching techniques. If you are completing the first module, you can be able to list and explain the functions as well as we can be able to differentiate between the different switching techniques. Then module 2, here we will say about the different network topologies. Then the different networking devices, repeaters, hubs, switch, bridges, what is the role of, where we will use repeater, where we will use hub. So the switches, even in a switches, we will have a two, that is a L2 and L3 switch, that is layer 2, layer 3 switch, then bridges. Then the routers, the routing algorithm. If you are completing module 2, you can be you will have a ability to analyze the different network topologies and how to interconnect devices using the different the network device. All these things we can be able to understand if you are completing the module. Then module 3, it deals about the data link layer, because OSI model it is containing the 7 layers. So in the module 3 we will say about the data link layer. So this data link layer, it is the more responsible for error control as well as the flow control. So in this module, we say about the different error direction techniques, then the different protocols which is used to control the error flow. Then the framing, then the type of the framing HDLC. Then we will say about the MAC, then random access protocol scheduling approach. If you are completing this module 3, then you can be able to analyze the different topologies, then error direction techniques and ARQ protocol. So the module 4. So here we will say about the different types of the LANs as well as the WANs. So what are all that that the different the Ethernet we are using, whether you are using token bus, token ring, all these things, then different types of LAN, virtual LAN, and different WAN technologies, then frame relay, then the ATM and the wireless LAN. So we will say about the different the types of LAN and WAN as well as the function of LAN and WAN. So if you are completing this module 4, you can be able to comprehend the various types of LAN and WAN technologies. Then module 5, it is the network layer. Here here the IP addressing is involving. So here suppose I want to go for with the large connecting of large number of systems in a single group, we'll go for subnetting. So So that the different types of the IP, one is IPv4, then IPv6. We will see about how we can be able to assign the IP address using IPv4 to system, then IPv6 to the system. Then different routing techniques, routing protocols, all these things we will see in the module 5. So if you are completing this module 5, you can be able to describe the different routing techniques as well as the design of the subnets. Then the module 6 is the transport layer, that is the next layer. Here, we will say about the different protocols. The protocol, it is nothing but it is the set of procedure which will use to execute any function. That is called as a protocol. So the transport layer, it involves involves the major role in the OSI model, because it is taking care of the transmitting the message at the frame from one device to another device. So the respective the protocol which is used to support the transport layer, it is an UDP protocol as well as the TCP protocol. How the congestion is controlled using the TCP, UDP, all these things we will see in the module 6. So if we are completing module 6, we can be able to explain and demonstrate the functioning of the TCP and as well as the UDP. So the module 7, it is an application layer. It is an the final layer. So here, we will say about DNS, the domain name systems. Then we will say about what is WW. Then the HTTP protocol, FTP. Then simple mail transfer. So all these things are this application layer. Directly, it will connect with the end users. So if you are completing this module 7, then you can be able to comprehend the basics of the DNS, FTP, SMTP, as well as the HTTP. So if you see that, so among these 7 modules, so the first module, it is the pure introduction. It is the basics of the model, OSI model. So it plays the right, because here the transparent and the source routing bridge as well as many algorithm, many problem is there. So the module 2, you should concentrate more to understand about the basic knowledge. Then module 3 is also very important, because here it involves error reduction, error correcting of the transmission. Module 4, it is not that much of the very important, because it is only deals about different types of LAN and WAN. Again, this is the very important, because here network layer we will say about the many other techniques, IP addressing, different types of IP address, how we are going to assign IP address, all these things. So module 5 is also very important. Then module 6, it is a TCP protocol. This is very important. Module 7, it is only the application. It is pure theory. So kindly concentrate on module 2, module 4, as well as the module 5 and 6. These are all the very important things in a computer communication to understand about the basics, as well as how we are going to design and the computer communication design and system for an effective communication. So actually the assessment method, so this I have followed in the last semester. So maybe after the co-chair meeting, we will finalize. But as per these things, you will have 2 Qs. This 40 converting 10, this actually I have conducted during the last semester. So this may be, after discussing with all the members, we will finalize whether we will conduct 40, that is a 4 test, weekly test, we will convert into 10, or we will have only 1 test. So, if other people's maybe 2 more members is taking the same slot, we discuss, then we will finalize. So 1 DA, I think this, the CAT 1, CAT 2, then FAT. So due to this pandemic, there is no mark for additional learning. I think this you receive the circular. You will have 2 Qs, 10 each. Then 1 DA, the 10 marks. Then CAT 1, 15 at the weightage. CAT 2, 15 weightage. So totally, it is a 60. FAT, it is a weightage of the 40 marks. So this is nothing but an assessment method for the theory. So the textbook. So as per syllabus, if you see here, the first one, it is in communication networks. The fundamental concept and key architecture by Leon Garcia. Then second one, it is in data communications and networking by Forusan. So I will share that ebook also. You can refer ebook. So for that module, the 6 and 7, then the basics of LAN, WAN, all these things. So this Forusan will be good. For remaining that IP addressing, then the module 2, all these things, Leon Garcia is the good, because the Leon Garcia, it involves more problem. It involves more analytical, more problem. The Forusan, it involves more theory. So the module 6 and 7, I think the Forusan is good. Similarly, module 1, the Forusan is good. For remaining, kindly refer the Leon Garcia book. So I will share this the PDF also through this chat box after this class. You can download, then you can use it. Similarly, I think you have created a WhatsApp group also. I will share the book in the WhatsApp group also. You can use it. So here, any doubt in assessment or anything?
No, sir.
Okay. So just a minute, I will check the attendance. Download the attendance. Similarly, if you are facing any attendance issue, maybe you should approach me immediately. Maybe suppose attendance it is you are not able to join, you are facing any attendance shortage, all these things.